Cody. Cody, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Right here. Alright, the plan right now is dealing with this hot tub. This thing stopped working years ago, and then it froze, and it's garbage. So I kind of want some pumps out of it. And I don't know, we might cut it up to get it out of here. I got it. See that bee there? Oh, I found the bees. They're in this corner right here.
Where's the behind the...
Yeah, that's it. There it is, right there. See, look at that.
Flip it or slap it? It's attached, that's the thing.
Alright, so the reason I wanted that pump is my pump on this, what happened to it, it worked, but you used to have to spin it with a drill to get it going. And then, here's the old one. Someone said, oh, just change the startup capacitor. So I did that, it was a brand new one, same problem. So I was, alright, let me get a new pump. Put that on there, ran for 10 minutes, got super hot, and then started shutting off. I'm gonna go through diagnosing with the company that sold it to me, they're like, oh, I sent them a picture, like your wires are kind of burnt looking, change the wires. I don't think it's the wires, but all right, I just want to test this here. So if I turn that on, it runs fine. So right there, we got hot on red. We should have hot on black, which is down here. I mean, it's running and they both have power. How are they gonna blame my wires? I don't think the wires are the issue. Let's let that run and see what happens. It's cool now. And you can't say that's restricted. I mean, look, that's a 2-inch pipe pouring out of there. Let's let it run until it stops running. Let's see, you getting hot yet? No. All right, it's 4 o'clock. 3:59, it's a minute later. And now it's sounding completely different. Like it clicked, like click, click. And now it's going like slow. All right, let's check the voltage again. I just want to see. And it smells like it's burning. Yeah, 122 volts. Seeing if any of these wires were getting warm, that would be a sign. No. No, they're all cool. But man, this thing's kicking off some heat. Almost too hot to touch. Here's the pressure gauge on the filter. The filter's not clogged. Clog on this end, because that thing would be sucked right in. If it's getting power, it's getting power, right, buddy? Yep, there it goes. 402. The thing ran like 5 minutes. Up voltage there. Let's go move to the other one. Voltage. Let's put the used one out of Kayla's hot tub in it. It's only a 110 pump, but GFCI breaker off. Hey Cody, what might happen? You ready? Even turns. Oh, I don't know. Pretty hard. Can't even touch this thing. How is it that hot? I know they're a little melted looking, but I mean, if they're good, they're good. It wants to. It's sitting so long. See if it can start by itself now. Pretty warm too, though. Why are you so warm? You're that way now. It's running before it gets the water. Oh, it froze though. Look, the faceplate's frozen. Oh, it's pumping. Well, yeah, see that? That's from freezing in the wintertime. See right through there. Well, I don't know. Look the same. This one. I wonder if this one just needs bearings. Look how hard that is to turn. It's been outside. But this will run. Like if you start this with a screwdriver, this will run. That fin's supposed to. Oh, it's frozen there. Shame, it's just that one spot. Dude, look at that pump go. You getting crazy hot? Oh, you're getting hot. Why is it getting so hot? It shouldn't get that hot. Ran for a while and it shut off. And it's hot. All right, got a brand new 12-4 wire here. This is an exterior wire. All right, so I want to go back to this brand new pump and see if it likes this new wire. Alright, there. All brand new wires, 12 gauge, thicker than it needs to be. Everything is crimped, soldered. Everything is fine that way. So this, if this still overheats, we're gonna figure this out though. Alright, it's running, it's pumping. Let's see how long it stays running. We're 3 minutes into it, and this is already, can't hold my hand on it hot. It ran 5 minutes, but it got so hot you couldn't touch it. It still can't even. Alright, found another hot tub here to get parts off of. This looks like a good candidate. I mean, it's from 2004, it looks like. But it's a 2-inch, it turns easy, and it's a 220. And I don't think it's that high of horsepower. I really don't need that big of a pump. This guy has another pump in it. Let's see. No. There's a something. Oh, there we go. Alright, 2 more pumps to try here. Yeah, these pumps are, that thing's intense. I do not need such a big pump. It's been running a good 15 minutes now, and it's, you know, it's a little warm, but nothing crazy. I'm gonna let that keep running, but I think that one's 2 days later. So, That pump I installed ran, I left it running overnight. At some point during the night it quit. Thing locked up solid. This was the other pump that came out of that hot tub. Installed that. It was running fine, but then I noticed the fan wasn't running. It was just like physical damage. Probably not a big deal. I was like stuck a screwdriver in there to, not even, I stuck something in there to try to get the fan turning, and then sparks shot out of it, blew the breaker, and I haven't touched it. Just got off the phone with the people I bought this one from, and they pretty much said they like put hot on 3 and 4 and don't hook up the neutral, is what I got out of that. So let's try that combination. Okay, so there it is, hooked up the way they want it. Power between 3 and 4. Neutral, not doing anything. And obviously grounded and bonded to earth. Turn it on. Oh, that's running. I just cleaned that filter, see where we're at pressure-wise. All right, well that's pumping fine. Let's this diagram here. One, it was like upside down from what's actually in there, but it's like, all right, so this is what it's supposed to be. 3 is supposed to be hot, and 4 is supposed to be hot, and 1 doesn't get used, and that's not what it says here. Okay, well it's running. Let's see if it's getting crazy hot yet. Nope, it's still. You wanna go in the hot tub? Cody likes the hot tub. Cody's crazy. Cody, you like the hot tub, right? So you getting hot yet? Nope. Here we are a few days later, and I've had this on the whole time, and it's running fine. So I'm pretty sure this is fixed. And since that's been filtering the whole time, you know, the water's looking decently clean. Guess I could change it, but it's just like, this is like a B-roll video, I feel like. I feel like if I publish this, it's like waters down like the A videos where I put a lot of work into. All right, and this whole project, this would have been done like in the very beginning if the manual for this pump showed how to wire correctly, because it's like what it says on that manual and how it's wired are pretty different. Like, it's working, so. And that is all. We just light that pile, and we got a hot tub. So I just planted some flowers over here. Look at this. All right, these canna lilies, these are nice. They're bulbs. You got to put them in every year, but those things can get huge. This had some nice flowers on it. They're done. I think that's gonna get, but that looks pretty good. And like, all right, just got this, and that guy there. There's another canna lily. Here, so this is not, all right, I'll show you what's, here's a sneak peek of what's going on up here. All right, check this out. Check out this. So this wall just got built, and then I was, all right, so the window, I wanted to do a window here. I was like, all right, this got to have a window. And I was gonna do it on this beam here. And then, like, you know, so you have like your wall right here, but I'm like, oh, the roof is all the way out there. So I ended up building this entire floor here, cutting out that beam up there, and then I'm gonna have this, so then the glass, I'm gonna do glass on the outer beam there. And then I'll have like this whole big windowsill, which would be really nice. Just picked up another welder with this 211, brand new. That's nice. It's nice. I like it. If you're looking to get a welder, like, this is definitely one to look at. You know what else is nice? Like, you can still carry it around. Doesn't need a forklift, and it can be a 220 or 110. So if you bring it places, you can just plug it into a regular outlet.